Yengsinbinaba staff masing Watpana Yengsinba Ngamdre Hairakpa Laibak Thibani Haina Indigenous Youth Association of KANGLEIPAK IYAK KAKCHING District Committee ki MAIKEIDAGI PHONGDORAKLI Committee asigi President Y Inaubi Moirang Chana khuyik piduna thadorakpa cherol amada leptana changselakpa mahiroi singi oiba mahai masing takpi tambibagi mawong singda yengsin khongchat adugi saruk ama oina haukiba tarik 18 da KAKCHING ZEO gi manung channa laiba kairak awang Primary School da loop asigi thomi singna changsil luba matamda school adu da pamdaba thodok sing thengnerakhi thomi singna school adu da yaushilaka school adu da yengsinbada oza sing thengna laklaga register dana pungan na sign tawba thengnerakhi hairi hiramasigi matangda concern authority oiba ZEO gi office chatuna asigumba thong sing asi yengsinbidabagi maram hanglubada ZEO office ki staff masing Watpana maram oiraga office ki thabak mayam asina school inspection chatpa ngamdabani haina paukhum pirakhi asumna education department na mathau ningthina tawraktaba amadi table da work tawrakpana maram oiraga government school sing ngasi mutharakpani haiba si achumbani government na scheme mayam semlabasu thabak ningthina tawraktabana laibak miyam na ngasi government school thajaraktabani Khunai asibu semliba education department mamungtagi oina lairakpa asik khunai asigi yamna chawna mangjaba mani maramasina thabak tawninglabasu staff masing watpadagi tawba ngamdriba KAKCHING ZEO office karigi laibano haiba yenghanjaningi amadi mathau tawramdriba oza singi matakta akan mamiyeng thambinaba education director department of ki director gi puning chingsilakli asiguma pamdaba thodok sing matung thoktanaba hotnabada education department na daita lawfum thoi amadi January ba oja sing laibak miyam khangna chairak pibiu haina cherola sidama khatari